what are some of the ways that they get their voice print captured for AI?
It could be a voicemail that you left with someone. It would probably be the biggest way to do that. I could call you up on the telephone and just record your voice, maybe talk to you a little bit, maybe like a sales call or something, and just pose as someone. And then once I have 30 seconds of your voice, I can then make this AI sound just like you.
That's pretty scary. So what are some of the ways that people can maybe address that as they get a call? Is it just a don't answer any call that you don't recognize, or is there more to it?
That's going to be certainly, of course, with anything, you could certainly take that approach, but not answering the phone for anybody is going to be difficult. And a lot of people already do that anyways for sales calls. But that's going to be probably the biggest thing. There's not, at this point, a lot of other things they're doing. Law enforcement is trying to make policies, government's trying to make policies to make this kind of thing illegal, especially for these types of calls. But of course, scammers aren't going to pay attention to that. They're trying to rob you out of your money anyways. So are they going to not do that? Of course they're going to do that. They're going to try in any capacity to try to get money from the person that they're trying to extort.